Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurrect Autos HQ. Today guys is Friday. What a mad week this week has been. And yeah, you know, we've got a new project for the channel. We've got cars going out, cars getting fixed, cars being set up. It's just, yeah, it's gone mad this week. So anyway, I wouldn't have it any other way, guys. This is what it's all about, innit, eh? You're rather moaning that he's too busy or you're moaning that you ain't got enough work. So, anyway, let's finish the week on a giveaway. So, just a quick introduction with what it was. A company, they got in contact with me and said, look, would you be interested in doing a review? We've been watching your channel. We've seen what you do. This product would help you, your viewers, your subscribers, and would you be interested to do a review, an unboxing for the product? And I said, well, I get a lot of messages, guys. And I said, well, okay, all right. I'll do it on one condition. I'll get one of them to unbox and review and keep for myself, and another brand new one to give to one of my subscribers on the channel, and as a giveaway, as a raffle, and that's what today's video is all about. So yeah, before we get into it there, guys, you'll love this car. I can't believe the amount of people that said like the build quality and the reliability is just, you know, just absolutely spot on. And you know, I can see why. At first I was kind of not sure about them, but now looking at them, going through it, you know, even the door shuts like just really spot on and good. So I'm starting to really like this car. So going forward, it looks like we might have some other Volkswagen Polos, Golfs, even Scirocco's. If I can get a Scirocco on the channel, that'd be good. But yeah, for now, let's get into the product and let's see what it is, and let's see what I'm giving away to one of you. And all you've got to do, guys, is just comment in the section below. Make sure you're a subscriber, give the video a thumbs up, and you'll be in a chance to win the product that I'm going to show you right now. So let's do this. Right, guys, so this is it. It's a TopDon Tornado 4000 battery charger, 6 to 12 volts, and yeah, this is the one. So this is what I'll be unboxing, showing you guys what it is, and giving you another one away. This is I'll take this one because I'll be unboxing it, and then I'll be giving this one away. So yeah, I'll send this one out to one of you guys on from the winner on Monday. But for now, let's have a look at what it is. You know, straightforward. It's a battery charger, 2 times faster, and interchangeable connections. Charge fully drained batteries up to 150 ampage hours, including wet gel, blah blah blah, common or white roasted, cycle, marine, and more. So just mainly all the batteries, really, from all different types, quite large trucks, boats, equipment. So yeah, it looks like it will charge, you know, quite a good range of batteries. It's got a dead function as well, I think they said. Manually turn on repair mode to detect and charge dead batteries, and it's got like a repair mode on it, so that's good. So yeah, it's from TopDon. They got in contact and said that they wanted me to sort of do, you know, give me a couple of these, one to give away and one to keep, do a review. We'll charge up some batteries, see how it goes. Been getting some really sort of good you know, products and stuff from these. I've been seeing quite a lot of different products that we could possibly use, like booster packs they do as well. Excuse me. So I might be able to get a booster pack off them as well that I could give away and do a review on. But yeah, this company seems to be sort of really putting it out there in a minute. Quite a, you know, a unique sort of design. We'll get into the box in a minute. So look on the back. So it's just showing you the scales, the steps, yeah, what it can do and stuff. So that's good. 10-step charging. So yeah, let's just get into the box, guys. Open her up. A lot of padded board. Yeah, a lot of padded board just to hold it down. But it looks like it's definitely well packaged. It's got all foam and stuff in it. That's your instructions, got to be. Yeah, that's your instructions. All different languages. So, yeah. This is the main charger. You see you've got all your wires and stuff in there, different connections. That's your power. And then you've got all these, oh, that's different ways of charging different batteries. These are your normal plugs. So that's pretty cool. That sort of just clicks into there, and then that's your battery charger for that. It looks all right, actually. It's pretty sturdy. Let's get rid of the box. Yeah, it looks good. We'll stick a battery on charge as well and see, you know, exactly how long it takes. Stuff like that. Let's just plug her in. There we go. So it just gives you, obviously, just giving you power modes and stuff. I'll have to read the instructions when I'm just throwing it all together and having a go, and but yeah, let me get a battery. I'll come back to you. So guys, I've got a battery. This is completely dead. Absolutely nothing in it. It's come out of a BMW Mini Cooper. This had the start-stop technology as well on it, so it'd be interesting to see if it will sort of charge it. Absolutely dead, nothing in it at all. So yeah, before we connect it up though, I just want to make sure that, you know, we go through the instructions, and anytime you sort of connect these up, or these sort of battery chargers, just make sure you read the instructions. And yeah, just go through the process of connecting it up properly. So we'll do the obviously the positive first, always positive first, which is the red one. These clamps are really good, really strong. So that's a good thing about this as well. So we'll put them on like that, red one. Then we'll do the negative, which is obviously the black one. Let's put that over there. Let's do the negative now. And we're just charging a battery, guys. Nothing, you know, crazy about it. But just obviously, like I said, make sure you read the instructions, because it has got different modes and stuff like that. So it'd be good to, you know, find out exactly what it is. This battery is a 12-volt battery, just a car battery. And you've got down here a 12-volt indicator here. So it says now to plug it in, so let's do that now. Once we've done all that, let's plug it in, turn the power on, and then you can see that it's flashing 12 volts normal. That's where we want it to, and then it will start sort of charging up to an indicator here. Will start 25%. It will start flashing to say that it's starting to charge. But as you can see, it's got absolutely nothing in this this battery, so it's going to take a while. So yeah, there you go. But this, you know, I'm not showing you that it's going to be charged in a few seconds or a few minutes, because I'm sure it won't be. It will definitely take a while to charge this battery back up. But yeah, that's how you connect them up, and you just leave it like that. It's just a battery charger at the end of the day. But yeah, this TopDon company, they seem to be sort of producing some really good products in a minute. I have seen quite a lot of stuff about with them and stuff on what they're doing. They do diagnostics tools as well for cars. They do booster packs for the batteries. They're starting to, do quite a lot of bits and pieces now, and the actual product as well is quite heavy, heavy duty. It looks pretty cool the way it is and stuff. So yeah, that's the actual product there, guys. Like I said, I'm going to give one of these away to one of you guys. All you have to do is be a subscriber, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below. So basically, next week on Monday, I'll be using a software that picks a random comment, just a randomly picked a comment. And it also takes out the duplicate ones. So if you comment 2 or 3 times, that system only recognises you've commented once. So it takes out the duplicate ones. So yeah, you can win yourself one of these guys, and I'll send it out to you. So yeah, that's that. So there we go. I'll keep an eye on this and see how long it takes to get to 100%. Not quite sure. Probably be in hours, but I will let you know how long it takes to get this completely dead battery back up to 100%. And yeah, we'll go from there. But don't forget that if you want to be, in the chance to win this by Raffle on Monday's video, I'll do it on Monday. Is to make sure that you are a subscriber, you give the video a thumbs up, and you comment down below. That's most important, is to make sure you comment, because I'm using a comment software system that randomly picks a comment from this video. So that is what I need you to do to be able to win one of these. Also, I am going to give away a Resurrect Auto sticker. So that'll go in the box as well, and a new Resurrect keyring for you as well, guys. Just chuck that in there just to show some appreciation to the lucky winner. But if you're not the lucky winner of this this giveaway, guys, there is another way you can get it. So basically, the company has allowed me to give you 20% off at Amazon. If you wanted to get your own one of these ones, it's 20% off, guys. I don't make anything from it. It's just a little token for you guys that you can get yourself one of these. I will put it in the description below, the link, so that you can go ahead and pick yourself one up yourself if you're not the winner. So yeah, we will see. I'll leave it for the whole weekend for as many people they can see the video and get a chance to win this box, and I'll personally post this to you. So yeah, there we go. That's the battery charger. So far so good, guys. It's a good product, I'll be honest with you. And like I said, I've seen these TopDon products get about quite a bit. They do diagnostics, they do booster packs and stuff like that. So if this video goes well, and enough people sort of interested in it, I will get in contact with them, and I'll see if I can get another product for us to review, look at, unbox, and give away. So there we go. All done. So that's it for now. One more thing before I go, though, guys. I am picking another car up on Monday. So, yeah, I can't believe it. This week it's got absolutely mad. So much has happened for this week. So I've won another car. I've got to pick it up Monday. So it's another project for the channel. As well as, obviously, the Volkswagen Polo that I've just picked up yesterday. But very busy. Can't complain. So, yeah, just have to crack on and get on with it. But that is going to be the end of today's video, guys. Really appreciate the support. Don't forget, drop me a comment down below to have a chance to win this in a raffle on Monday's video. So have a great weekend, and I'll see ya on Monday.